Hello, my name is Jaewon Choi, and this is my CS2340 term project. So I am a little sick, so if you hear me coughing throughout the video, please excuse me for that. And so I'll be showing you today a game I created called the Multiplication Match Game. You know, it's a game where you match products to their expressions, so on a 4x4 grid until you get all the values. And so we're gonna assemble, and as you can see, it assembles successfully, and then we're gonna run it. And so, and as you can see, the timer goes, and we do not get a match. And so, we know that 1 is 16, or the 1 in 1 is 16, and the 1 in 1 2 is 20. And so now 1 3 1 4, and now we know it's 21 72 2 1 2 2, and then these are the numbers in there, and then 2 3 2 4, and so now we know that there's 21 and 2 4, so it's 1 1 and 2 4, and it's not matched. And so we keep going, so we go 3 1 3 2, and then 3 3 3 4, and so now we know that 1 1 and 3 4 are a match. And so we do this so on and so on until we match all of them. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then 1 3. So I know that 1 2 is 20 and 1 3 is 21, and we saw 21 earlier. I believe 21 was 2 4. Yep, there we go. And then now we need to look for 20, and so 2 1 2 2. Nope, 2 3 3 1, and we got a match. Look at that. So we look for 20 4 1, and then 4 2. We saw 4 2 earlier. It's 48. Or I think we saw this earlier. 56. So 4 1 and 3 2 match. So we go 1 2, and we got a match. And then 4 3 4 4. We found 20, and then 1 2 4 4 4 2 1. So it's 72. 4 3 4 2. 4 3 72, and 1 4 4 4 3, and then 2 1 2 2, 2 1 3 3, and then 2 2 4 2. And so the game is over. And so now that the game has been completed, I want to go through and kind of explain and go through what happens. And so when we start the game, the time management file starts and starts um timing you and measuring how long it takes you to complete the game. And as you can see, if we scroll up, the timer is still going, and it shows us that we completed it in 2 minutes and 53 seconds. And so once we start, it displays the welcome message, starts the timer, and then it initializes the array matched cards, and all the elements are set to 0. And the array makes sure which cards are matched and which ones aren't. And so the board is also set up, and then each card is symbolized by an X, and the pairs are randomly distributed all over the grid via, and it's randomized with this file, which makes it a new experience every single time because honestly, if all these values were in one spot, it I don't think it would be that fun. And so, yeah. And then the program asks the user to enter a row number and then a column number. And then it asks them to do that twice. And then once they do that, it gives them the value. And then you keep doing that until it gets matched. And so once it doesn't match, it asks them to do it again. And then you keep doing that until you complete the thing. And then as you can see here, this is the get matched. And it tracks the card's positions in the array. And then it compares it. And then depending on the values that we get, it either says that it's not matched or matched. Over here, we have that. And this one tells if the card is repeated because, we have to have that. And so, yeah, that is the project. And thank you.